All right, kids, what is up? This is Moto Noir, and I've been hanging out, riding with my buddy Rubes and my new buddy June. I've known June for a while, actually, but it was the first time, actually, like, we've begun actually doing a little ride together. First time riding with him. Had a lot of fun. He's on a 2010 Ducati Multistrada, and it is it's a beefy looking bike. I really like his bike. The Multistrada is on my short list of possible next bike. Don't worry, I'm never getting rid of this bike, but you know, just looking into the future, what I might have. I want a bike that you can go, and it's meant to do long trips, and that bike seems to fit the bill. And I think I would get an older one too. Oh, what else? What else is new, kids? I think I'm ready to finally announce something, and I got a new job, and I am stupidly excited about it. I have actually been working for them for about a month now, and I just have not made any videos. I don't know why. I just I don't know. I'm really enjoying this new job, and I actually work for an electric motorcycle company called Cake. Website ridecake.com. Check it out. I work for that company now. My job is to set up a dealer network and field marketing. So right now I'm doing a ton of test rides and motorcycle events, and just getting the name out, getting the word out about Cake. And it's a Swedish company. I'm just so happy. They're taking really good care of me. Salaried, essentially like an executive level. Oh man, I'm astounded. I'm astounded at how great things are going right now, and I feel good. Unfortunately, part of that feel good is I broke up with my girlfriend. Well, we broke up. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I took it pretty hard for about a week, and then I just started having really great days at work, and those days were really long days. And you know what? I didn't have to worry about, you know, where I was, contacting her, making plans with her, and it just made me feel good to not have her around. That sounds really bad, I know, but it is what it is. So yeah, life is good, man. Life is real good. Yep, I'm recording. Okay, good. All right, what else is new? Anyways, yeah, wow. To say that I'm excited, or that I am overjoyed to be working in the motorcycling industry, really doesn't do it justice. I go to work every day and do something that I am passionate about, and work in an industry that, you know, if you would have told me 4 years ago that I'd be working in a motorcycle or electric motorcycle company, or in the industry, I'd be like, no, not in New York. That would mean that I would have to move to California or something like that. And I don't know, I am lucky. I'm so freaking lucky. Around our motorcycling community in New York, there's lots of motorcycling chats, and on one of the chats, they posted a job, and I told everyone, do not apply. I'm applying. This job is mine. I'm getting it. And wouldn't you know, the silly gooses hired me. I fooled them. But yeah, we're gonna open up a cake is fantastic, and we're gonna open up our home office in Greenpoint, which is the next little neighborhood over in Brooklyn. So it's super close. It's like a quick little 10-minute motorcycle ride to get to and from my, not even that, it's like a 5-minute motorcycle ride to get to Dirty Billy, my garage. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing how I'm so lucky. I'm really lucky, and I feel good, and I feel really good, and that is the important stuff right now. June is ahead of me. June actually works for Rev'it, so he's all decked out in Rev'it gear, top to bottom. So now we're heading home from our boys' day out. We went into Kent, Connecticut, when there's a little waterfall in Kent, and took a little video of it. Not really exciting, kind of underwhelming, but we were hoping that it would be a good place to just like dunk in the water and cool off, because today was right around 95 degrees and about, let's say 70% humidity. So yeah, we were sweating our butts off. And unfortunately, it was so crowded. And we were just sitting there going, so there's all these kids hanging out in the water, you know, they're pissing all over the place in this little waterfall area. And yes, the water's moving. Yes, I understand that. But not exactly the water you want to hang out in for very long. So then June here, he said he had a buddy on the way back to the city with a nice house and a pool. And boy, he was right. The guy had a beautiful home and a beautiful pool. And so by the time we got there, we were just so drenched in sweat, and we were just so miserable. We were like thanking our lucky stars that the guy was home, and that he allowed us to stop by and jump in his pool. It was so nice. Much needed. But anyways, so that is pretty much going to be the video. I just wanted to get that out there. I got a new job, and I'm freaking excited about it. Anyways, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you on the next vlog. Later.